Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So last week, we drew the turnaround of Donkey from the Shrek movies. Remember, a turnaround is a series of drawings of a character from different angles. By doing so, we create a model sheet of that character, starting usually with a front view, then moving into other angles after extending some guidelines across the page to help position the character's features. Drawing a turnaround is an excellent way to really get to know a character. This week, we're going to draw a turnaround of one of my favorite Disney characters, Goofy, who is, if you didn't know, a dog. That said, growing up, I always sort of thought he looked more like a horse or a cow, or some kind of a hybrid horse-cow dog. But no, he's just a dog. In fact, without his hat on, which is the way we'll be drawing him today, you can actually see the same occiput, or head bump, on Goofy that you see on Pluto. The occiput is an actual part of a dog's skull, and in some breeds, it's much more pronounced. One other thing I've noticed, while Goofy is a dog, you never really see his tail. Now, maybe it's because he wears pants, but so does Mickey Mouse, and you still see his tail. Anyway, in early versions of Goofy, he actually did have a tail. Somewhere along the way, back in the 1930s, that tail sort of disappeared, or was just permanently concealed in his pants. Just thought I'd point that out. So this version of Goofy we'll be drawing is from the series Goof Troop, where Goofy is designed to feel more like a suburban single dad, and is drawn in a simple, clean line style of the 1990s. Oh, and he's hatless. Just a reminder that before we start, everything I draw in my videos is the first time I'm drawing it. No practice. I say that to let you know that the process I use works, and it will work for you too. Okay, so let's draw. We're going to draw our turnaround of Goofy step by step, giving you the secret formula so you can draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In our turnaround of Goofy, his height is roughly 4.5 heads tall. In other words, however tall you draw his big Goofy head, his body is about 4.5 of those stacked up. And while his proportions are exaggerated, they're also very consistent, which is exactly why doing a turnaround is so useful. Because once you understand how all those parts relate to one another, from the front to the 3/4 view to the side, you really begin to understand the character. Okay, so let's draw our roadmap for today's turnaround of Goofy. Okay, so there's our roadmap of our Goofy turnaround. Now, before we move on to step 2, I want to break Goofy down using simple shapes for those of you who want to screen grab. Just something to help when laying out your drawing. All right, so now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I'm going to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. As I mentioned at the beginning, I use guidelines to help me to position Goofy's eyes and eyebrows, muzzle, body, and overall build. But we don't want those guidelines in the final drawing. So you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the features for our turnaround of Goofy. Alright, so they're the roughed out features of our Goofy turnaround. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. This is where we get to draw the final details of our Goofy turnaround. Because we've already done all the hard work, we're not guessing anymore. Now's the time to slow down and clean up your lines and make sure each version feels like the same character. That's the key with a turnaround. So as you finish your drawing, keep checking, keep refining all the way until the very end. Okay? So let's draw in the final details of our turnaround of Goofy. And that's how you do it. There you have it, a turnaround of one of the most recognizable and lovable Disney characters of all time, Goofy. Again, this is a version from Goof Troop. So how do you think you did? Understand if this is your first time ever drawing any drawing of Goofy, let alone a turnaround, you can't expect to have drawn him perfectly. Turnarounds are tricky, but they are the best way to really learn how a character is built. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring our Goofy turnaround because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. But now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing a turnaround of Goofy. I promise each time you draw one of these, it'll get a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your turnaround of Goofy. If you can't take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to use the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.